Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Analyzer. We will start the video by an inspiring quote: positive action combined with positive thinking results in success.
Friends, how are you all? In this COVID pandemic, I think all are well and all are at home because we always remind you that precautions are better than cure. So, stay at home and be safe at home. Today, in this third video of the quadratic equation, we are going to solve the quadratic equation, or we are going to find the roots of the quadratic equation by the completing square method. In the first video what we have seen, in the second video what we have seen, and in the third video what we are going to see, we will revise once. In the first video we have seen that how to identify the quadratic equations, how to convert the given quadratic equation in the standard form, how to find the values of a, b and c in this way, and in that most important point, that what are the roots, or what does the mean of the roots in the quadratic equation. This all these points we have learnt in the first video of the quadratic equation. If you have not, the video is available. In the second video of the quadratic equation, I have solved the solutions of a quadratic equation by factorization method. And in this equation, we are going to find the solution of a quadratic equation, but not by factorization method, but it is by the completing square method. How to find the solution of a quadratic equation by completing square method. Completing square method. If in the question they have given find the solution of a quadratic equation by completing square method, then you have to solve this in this way. Okay, now completing square means what? 4 is the complete square of the 2 square, it will be the 4 in this way. Okay, but in the equation there will be variables, therefore you can't directly find in this way. There are some tips to find. Easy and simple trick I am going to give you to find the solution of a quadratic equation by completing square method. Okay, now we will take the example from the practice set 2.3, which is a first example, that is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. How to solve this problem? Write as it is given: x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now keep this equation in such a form that the constant, that is the c, should be on the RHS, that is x square plus x, which is equal to 20. Now adding constant k, that is adding k on both sides, we get x, therefore x square plus x plus k, which is equal to 20 plus k. Here now I will explain why we should add k, or what will be the value of k. Now here we have to find the value of k, so that we can complete this whole side, that is LHS side, with the RHS. Therefore finding the value of k, there is a trick to find this value. I will give you direct formula, that is k is equal to, in bracket, minus coefficient of x by 2 whole square. This is very important formula you have to remember. You can also find the value of k by different methods, but this is the important formula, or by shortcut method you can find the value of k directly. Here minus, as it is, we have to keep coefficient of x in this equation. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 1 whole square. Here many students are going to make the mistakes that minus 1 square will be the minus 1. No, minus 1 into minus 1, the value will be the 1, and 2 square is 4. Or some students will make the mistakes like only they will square the upper numerator, but they will not square the denominator. You should not make such silly mistakes. 1 by 4. Now this value we have to add in this equation, that is the equation first. Adding the value of k in equation first, that is we will get the equation as x square plus x plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 20 plus 1 by 4. Now here something we have to observe, that x square plus x plus 1 by 4, if x plus 1 by 2 whole square, we know the formula a plus b whole square. Now if we expand this term, we will get the answer x square plus x plus 1 by 4. Here, but with this method of solving is named as the completing square method. Here we have found its complete square, which is equal to 20 into 4 plus 1 by 4. That is, I will write once again in this page, x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 20 into 4 plus 1 by 4. That is, as it is, we have to keep x plus 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 20 into 4 is 80 plus 1 by 4. That is, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to whole raised to 2 is equal to 81 by 4. Here, taking square root on both sides, we can simplify this equation. Taking square root on both sides, we will get x plus 1 by 2. Here square root we have taken, root and square will get cancelled, and taking square root 81 by root 4, we will get x plus 1 by 2, which is equal to plus or minus 9 by 9. 9 square will be 81. Therefore, the root of 81 will be the 9. And root of 4 is 2. Here plus or minus. Why it is in this way? Or some students will write only plus 9 by 2. But every quadratic equations has two roots. Therefore, plus or minus, because plus 9 into plus 9 is 81, minus 9 into minus 9 is 81, in this way. Now, we can differentiate this equation. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus 9 by 2, or x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 9 by 2. That is, x is equal to 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is, x is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Therefore, the x is equal to 4. The solution, that is the value of the x, is equal to 4, and here it will become x is equal to minus 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 9 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 by 2, which is equal to minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5. If you have taken here only plus 9 by 2, you will get only one solution of this equation, but this is a quadratic equation. We will get the two solutions. Therefore, we have got here that x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 5. Now, in this way we have solved by completing square method. We will take one more example to understand much better. Forget to tell you that the coefficient of the x square should be 1. If it is not 1, we have to make it 1. We will take such example. Here already it is 1, therefore no need to make as 1 because it is already there. Here the coefficient of y square is 2. We have to make it 1. First of all, as it is, we have to write given 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Dividing each term by 2 on both sides, dividing by 2 on both side, we will get 2 by 2 y square plus 9 by 2 y plus 10 by 2, which is equal to 0. We will 2 will get cancelled. Y square plus 9 by 2 y plus here it will be 5, which is equal to 0. Here we got the coefficient of y square as 1. Now, following steps that have been discussed earlier, we will solve as y square plus 9 by 2y is equal to minus 5. I have told you that the third C constant we have to keep in the RHS. Now, as it is step, adding k on both sides. Y square plus 9 by 2y plus k is equal to minus 5 plus k. Finding the value of k, what is the formula? K is equal to minus coefficient of y. In the previous example, it was the variable was x, therefore we have written the coefficient of x. Here in this equation, the variable is y, therefore we are going to write coefficient of y divided by 2 whole square, which is equal to minus coefficient of y is 9 by 2 into 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 9 square is 81 by 2 to the 4. Now putting this value in the equation first, that is y square plus 9 by 2y plus 81 by 4, which is equal to minus 5 plus 81 by 4. The major mistake I have done, I have told you in the previous example and I have made the same mistake that 2 into 2 will become 4 and 4 square I have not done, which is equal to 81 by 16. Such minor mistakes will take out the marks. Now adding 16 we have to add 16. Here it will become y is equal to 9 by 4, it will become square, which is equal to minus 5 into 16 to make the denominator equal plus 81 by 16. That is y plus 9 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 80 plus 81 by 16. That is 5 plus 9 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 80 plus 81 is 1, because plus minus minus we have to do, and the bigger sign is plus, therefore plus 1 by 16. Here taking square root on both sides, we will get y plus 9 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4, because root of 1 is 1 and root of 16 is 4. Here plus or minus there will be. We have the remember these minor things. Therefore, y plus 9 by 4 is equal to plus 1 by 4, or y plus 9 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Because at a time there will not be 2. If it is there, it will be there. But in the next step, we have to put this value. Here, y is equal to 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4. That is, y is equal to 1 minus 9 is minus 8 by 4, which is equal to y is equal to minus 2. Here y is equal to minus 1 minus 9 by 4 it will be, which is equal to minus 10 by 4. The value will be the minus 5 by 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here we have got the values of solution of the given quadratic equation, that is y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 5 by 2. These quadratic equations we have solved by the completing square method. You have to remember these simple steps that should not be mistaken by you. In the next video, I am going to solve the quadratic equations by the formula method, which has been used in not only in the 8th, 9th and 10th standards, but even though they have been used in the 11th and 12th standards, which are the most important. We will take a short glance what we have, two examples that we have solved in this video. Quadratic equation by completing square method. First example, having the variable of x square is 1. The second step is taking the constant towards the RHS. Third step is adding k on both sides, finding the value of k by this formula, which is most important and shortcut method. In textbooks they have given with the long method by adding or subtracting in this way, but by this formula we can directly find the value of k. And the fourth step is having that value in the equation and then solving. That's it, nothing else is there. These problems are lengthy, but those problems helps to score maximum in exam. In this way we have solved the first problem, and in second problem we have taken such problem example or equation that having the coefficient not equal to 1. We have made this equation as 1 in this way by dividing on both sides, and then further steps as same as that of previous one in this way. These are somewhat lengthy problems, but too much easy problems